Hey guys, it's me again. Today we're gonna be fixing a water heater. We're gonna be cleaning up the thermocoupler, which is, god damn it, Sam shade. I can't even see out of my own phone. Which is this piece right here. We're gonna be cleaning it with sandpaper, so the pilot stays ignited. A lot of people go buying new water heaters and not knowing what's going on. This is the thing that shoots out the gas through the thermocoupler, and this keeps it lit. Then we're going to take a wire brush, clean all that off, all that rust, so you get so the pilot lights up nice, you know, and you have consistent good heat. And all you need is a good set of pliers to get these bad boys off up here. It's just 3 of them, and two 10mm bolts if you have an old gas water heater like I do. So let's get to do this. So I can get an angle on this damn homemade foam stand I made. I guess it's gonna have to work. And we're gonna be using a wire brush. I didn't mention disconnect the igniter, but that pretty much, that's self-explanatory. And a little bit of used sandpaper, Red Bull. I mean, anybody could do this at home. God damn it. Mine was already clean because I cleaned it previously before. Now, this is the thing, is I might have to go buy one at the hardware store, but this thing's been giving me problems. I'm just gonna leave it on there and clean it. I'm not gonna hassle with it. You know, clean the base. Just clean it till it gets a little bit metallish look back. Red Bull break. Fucking bee. We might as well get this. Nah, we don't need the igniter, but we'll just give it a little dab while we're here. My igniter seems to work great anyway. And we're all done. I'll just go put this thing back in. You can see we cleaned it. It's a little shiny now, and I just brushed off the igniter nut. All right, and that's all you gotta do. And then just the way you took it off, you slide it in at an angle, then you bend this like that because it won't go in. I'll show you. Let me just drink this Red Bull. All right, let's roll, guys. Okay, we're back. What the hell is this kid hearing, man? And get a good angle for y'all guys. Anyway, all you do There's a little hook on the thing. You'll see it, just align it. Just align it. And that's pretty much it. Let's put that back. Where the holes were. And that's it, you know. Just connect everything. These things explain itself. They only have one fitting. They're two different sizes, so you can't connect them in the wrong spot. And then just connect your igniter back. I'm not putting Teflon tape yet because I'm gonna see if it works first before I reconnect everything back the right way. I'll come back and do that because if I have to take it apart again, it's gonna be no use. And one's on the, okay, hold on. The last thin line's gonna be the last one to go on, because you gotta tighten this one down. Oh my God. Okay, let's just put these bolts back on so this shit doesn't fucking move. That's it. Like that. Do this. That last one. All right, let's go to test this thing. Make sure you want to cut your gas line back on. All right, that's on. Put it on pilot setting. You have it on pilot setting. The minute you put this on pilot, you want to hit your igniter. And you want to look through the little hole, make sure it turns on. Okay. Don't always come on. There we go. And what I do if it doesn't always cooperate, well, I don't have a lighter. I just start this up and start it manually while it's on pilot. That's all I do. Alright guys, thanks for watching.